Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you how to rename a layer. Under layers panel, there is no layer, so I'm going to draw this shape. And if I want to rename this layer, I need to click here and click on rename layer. You can use the shortcut Ctrl Shift plus R. Let's click, give it a name layer 1. Let's draw another shape. And if I want to rename this layer, I can just double click layer 2. So this is how we can rename a layer with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. Take care and goodbye.